Welcome to our video on transforming your space with the timeless charm of wood. Wood, with its natural warmth and versatility, can elevate any room from ordinary to extraordinary. Today, we will explore a range of wooden furniture pieces and decorative ideas to inspire your next home makeover. Wooden furniture is more than just pieces. They are investments in style and longevity. The richness of wood grain, whether it's the sleekness of oak, the rustic charm of pine, or the exotic allure of teak, adds character to any space. A wooden coffee table is a centerpiece. Consider a rustic reclaimed wood option for an industrial wine or a sleek modern design for a minimalist look. Wooden accent chairs can add warmth and texture for a cozy corner. A wooden bookshelf filled with plants and books create a serene atmosphere. A wooden dining table is a classic choice. Pair it up with upholstered chairs for contrast or wooden chairs for a cohesive look. A wooden sideboard can provide ample storage and display space. A wooden bed frame is a timeless piece. Opt for a minimalist design for a contemporary feel, or an intricately carved frame for a traditional touch. Wooden nightstands add functionality and style. A wooden dresser can serve as a storage solution and a decorative element. Wooden decor pieces can add personality and depth to your home. Wooden wall art is versatile. From geometric patterns to abstract designs, there is something for every style. Wooden letters or words can create a personalized touch. A wood framed mirror can be a focal point. Consider a round mirror with thick wooden frame for a bohemian look, or a rectangular mirror with a minimalist frame for a modern aesthetic. Incorporate wood into your textiles. Wooden bead curtains can add a touch of boho chic. Wooden patterned rugs can bring warmth and texture to your floors. Wooden cutting boards, utensils, holders, and trays can add warmth to your kitchen. A wooden fruit bowl is both functional and decorative. To maximize the impact of your wooden furniture and decor, consider these styling tips. Mix and match. Combine different wood tones and finishes for a layered look. For example, pair a light oak coffee table with a dark walnut TV stand. Play with textures. Mix wood with other textures like velvet, linen, or faux fur for added interest. Add greenery. Plants complement wood beautifully. Place potted plants on wooden shelves or side tables. Lighting. Highlight the beauty of your wooden pieces with strategic lighting. Use spotlights to accentuate unique features. When choosing wooden furniture and decor, consider the environmental impact. Ethical practices of manufacture. Look for pieces made from sustainably sourced wood and support companies committed to responsible forestry. Wooden furniture and decor offer endless possibilities to create a warm and inviting and stylish home. By carefully selecting pieces and incorporating them into your overall design scheme, you can transform your space into a haven of natural beauty and comfort. Additionally, by considering sustainability and ethical sourcing, you can make a positive impact on the environment. Remember, wood is a versatile material that can adapt to various styles, from rustic to modern. Don't be afraid to experiment with different wood tones, finishes, and textures to create a unique look. Unleash your creativity by transforming old wooden pieces or creating new ones. Optimize your space with functional wooden storage solutions like shelves, cabinets, and crates. Extend your wooden aesthetic to your outdoor space with wooden patio furniture, planters, and decor. By incorporating these additional tips, you can elevate your home decor to new heights and enjoy the endless beauty of wood for years to come. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the world of wooden wonders. From classic pieces to modern interpretations, wood offers endless possibilities to transform your home. By blending functionality with aesthetics, you can create a space that is both inviting and stylish. Remember, the beauty of wood lies in its natural variations. Embrace the unique character of each piece and let it become a focal point in your interior design. Whether you are a seasoned design enthusiast or just starting your home decor journey, wood is a timeless choice that adds warmth, character, and a touch of nature to any living space. So until next time, happy decorating!